Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing good. Children, today in our class, we are going to learn about one and many. Now, in the picture, you can see there is one boat and many boats. Okay, so let us have a look of what it is. This is one flower. And when we have more than one, what can we say? Should I say many flower? No, that is wrong. We need to say many flowers. The word itself, when we talk, will tell us whether it is one or many. For example, if I tell you butterfly, so in your head you will have an image of one butterfly. But if I say butterflies, so in your mind you will have image of many butterflies. So it is very important to use the words correctly. So one flower, when we talk about one thing, it is called singular form. And when we talk about many things, बहुत सारी चीज़ों की बात करते हैं, तो that is plural form. Okay? Now, there are certain rules. कुछ rules होते हैं children in order to make the plural form of the word. Plural form कैसे बनाएं उसके लिए. Now the first rule is you can add s to make plural. कैसे? Let us have a look. This is one apple, two apples. You can see s is added in the end. One cap, three caps. CAPS. One girl, two girls. GIRLS. S has been added to the end. Children, there is one more rule. We can add ES to make plural. How? One bus, three buses. BUSES. One bench, two benches. ES is added at the end. Now, there might be a confusion where we have to add ES. There is a trick. The word ending in O, X, CH, SH, SS take ES to form plural. If I want to make plural form, then in the word you need to see the last letter. जो word का last letter है आपको वो देखना है, and then you can decide whether you have to put ES or S. Mango. The last letter in mango is O. So I will add ES. Mangoes. Fox. Last letter is X. So I will add ES. Foxes. Watch. WATCH. So in the last I am getting CH. So I will add ES. Watches. Brush. The last two letters are SH. So I will add ES to make plural. Brushes. You need to remember this rule. Now page number 21, we will solve the plural form by adding s. Bat, one bat, many bats. One star, many stars. One dog, many dogs. One chair, many chairs. One kitten, many kittens. I hope the concept of singular and plural is clear in your mind. Practice will make you perfect. So do practice this. That is all for today, children. Thank you and bye-bye.